You're home with Mama. I'm so happy.
I wanna get away, but I could use some company. If you're alone like me, we could go on a trip.
Hi guys, welcome back. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Grace and I do DIYs and I love Mackenzie Childs, so a lot of my DIYs are Mackenzie Childs inspired. You won't find any fancy schmancy in this channel because I'm not fancy schmancy. I just like to have fun. If this is your kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. Today, I am super excited and I didn't even get dressed for you. Okay, I have no makeup, no nothing. This is what you get because that's how excited I am. Today my box came for the other item that I painted at Mackenzie Childs for the Artisan Craft Festival. And I'm just super excited and I can't wait. I love you guys, right? So I wanted to make sure that we do this together. The item I painted is not this big, but it just goes to show you how well they packaged this baby up because, of course, it's coming across, from a different country. It's coming across the border. But yet I'm in Canada and Mackenzie Childs is, of course, in the States. So they really packaged this well. Oh my God, I can't wait. Look at this, guys. Holy cow. Maybe there's gold in here. Holy moly. You ready to see this? I want to see it with you. Wow. Wow.
Banding.
Yep.
So, roll it around.
Now, would that be that brush?
Yep.
Like a record player. That's what he said last time.
Yes, absolutely.
Right?
Yep.
Okay.
Did you work with her last time?
I did not.
Oh.
But she's been here.
Yes, she has.
Oh my
It's time
God.
to dip it again. Right in.
Yeah. Now, for me, the way I see this, I do it for fun.
You're doing really well.
Oh, shoot.
Just add a little more color. Yep.
I love that. Okay.
Okay, so now we're going to attempt to do you want to do just one big rose in the center? Do you want to do 3 smaller ones? Several small ones?
Can I do 2, like
2?
on each side?
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh,
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights.
How long have you been doing this?
30 years.
Oh my God, you're so lucky. I love this.
It's a fun job,
Oh my
It's
gosh.
work. It is work.
Okay. Maybe I should put 3. I got
think
room
so.
for 3. Oh, maybe.
Searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind. I will keep on holding my head high, even if the sky is falling down.
That looks weird, doesn't it?
No, it doesn't. No, I think you always think it does, but when it fires, it'll look more like a rose.
Oh. I keep forgetting that wider, not just the tip.
Yes.
I seem to forget that. Well,
Yeah,
maybe
they
a little
look
bit
like
more
posies
here.
to me.
I really wanna know if I will ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling. Hey, darling, can I tell you what's been on my mind? Sick and tired of the 9 to 5 in the city life. Hey, darling, we could get out of town, see the beautiful world around, wanna see it now. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday, baby, don't you understand that we only get one life? I wanna make it count, honey, come on now and take my hand. Hey, darling, I love it when it's me and you, on the road with a couple of tunes in a car for two.
Oh my gosh, I love it.
I love it too. It's awesome.
See how that goes. Oh my gosh.
And there's the holes in the back, so you can put a wire through it when it
Oh
fires.
no way, really?
Yep, right there. That'll fire out, and then you can put wire through it.
Oh my god, that is so freaking awesome.
Yep. Just don't.
Oh
Beautiful.
wow. It's different. I love it.
Good time, driving in the middle of the night when the stars are bright. Pack our bags and get in that car, leave a little note and we'll drive real far. Let's get out, we can leave this city. Let's drive to the open air. Yeah, the countryside is so pretty, with the wind blowing in your hair. We can look back someday.
Wow.
Baby, don't you
Before I show you, I just want to say, if you have the opportunity to do this, to paint a Mackenzie Childs piece at the Mackenzie Childs Festival at some point in your life, I encourage you to do it, because you will have an authentic Mackenzie Childs piece, but painted by yourself. This is beyond words, the feeling right now. I can't even explain to you. I'm going to show you this. Wow, what a feeling. I can't explain to you. OMG, look at this. Oh my God. Look, and it has the Mackenzie Childs information on there. Let me see. Let me put on my glasses because I can't see. It says Mackenzie Childs, made in the U.S. by moi. Yes. This is just so beautiful. It says 2023 made in USA, Mackenzie Childs. Okay, right there. Now, what I love about it, and this is what my artisan that day, she said there's some holes here that if you want to hang up the platter, you can put a little wire through here to hang it up. I can't believe I made this. I seriously cannot believe I made this. Fudge! Man, oh man. Wow. Okay, Mackenzie Childs, you ready to hire me now? I'll design some new patterns for you. I'm just kidding. I love this. On a serious note, I do want to say thank you to Rebecca, and I want to say thank you to Mackenzie Childs. What you're doing for your collectors, for people who are so passionate about Mackenzie Childs, is really giving them an opportunity to feel what it's like to create something and still it's authentic. Do you know what I mean? It's just an unbelievable feeling, and I can tell you from experience, I've had the opportunity to do that a few times, and I love it, and I hope to go again next year. I wish that every Mackenzie Childs collector feels the way I feel right now. To non-Mackenzie Childs collectors, it's like, it's a platter. Listen, it is a platter. But when you're an MC fan, it's not just a platter, okay? It's an achievement. It's so gratifying, and it just feels like you did it. You did it yourself. That feeling is priceless. It's not about the money. It's about the feeling, and this is priceless. Thank you so much, Mackenzie Childs. So for now, take care of each other, be kind, and always remember you want to reach a point in your life when you say, remember when, and never ever, I wish I did. And you know what? I can honestly say, remember when I painted this. Thank you so much, my friends. Please come back and visit me. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and share the video. Take care of yourselves. Be kind. Mwah! Love you guys.